Okay, I'm back. I want to show you this huge mess here that I'm giving away. So here I have some punches. So it's that one, Martha Stewart butterfly. This corner one. This flower one. That one. That one goes with this one. No, it really doesn't. That one. This bird eye. I mean, you know what I mean. This one. And that one. That's all to give away. Then I have some colored cardstock. These are that in white and in black. And I have some paper pads, some loose papers, all different colors, some alphas, some Heidi Swapp memory files. There are 2 of them. Some more alphas from Prima, and some masks and cardstock. You can see it, all that alpha from Prima, and some that are not. And these are masking strips, and there's another little one in there somewhere that I'm masking. This one right here. Okay. Some Prima flowers. That one right there. This is all Prima. These are flower centers. Some more flower centers from Prima. Some more flower centers from Prima. Some Prima crystals. Some more flower vines. Prima cork stickers. Some of the foiling in wood. Prima buttons. More flowers. More flowers. Sorry if I'm moving. More flowers in Prima. These butterflies from Prima. These are the butterflies from Prima. These resin icons from Prima. This flower embellishments ornaments from Prima. This vintage cards, chipboard. This journaling cards from Prima. Anything else Prima? think anything else from Mirima. So now I got this chipboard. Susan from K and C Company. Now K and Company. These are alphabets with decorations on it. And I have Studio 112. These are the stickers here. And a sticker here from Wedding. This one here. And for this one. Two of them. And some adhesives. And some stickers, rainbow stickers. There's like a whole bunch. This book, this paper pad, sticky notes, this sticker. More stickers. This one right here, another one. This K and Company chipboard stickers. K and Company more stickers. This one is wedding theme. Another one of those. This Studio G cardstock stickers. I have two of this one, which is at embossed stickers. There's two of them. Then I have this Me and My Big Ideas stickers. This K and Company butterflies. And I have this Heidi Swap to do memory planner. I have the stickers here. I have these stickers here. I have these borders, and they're long borders. There's 15 pieces. I have this stickers from, what's that company? That company right there. Basic Rate. There's some alphas, some chipboards, and some more alpha chipboard. And I have this memory planner starter kit. I have Timbuktu, these envelopes. I have this unicorn stencil kit. I have two of them. So this is what you get in here. So I have two of those. Wow. I have these trims. Okay, now for the dies. Okay. Let me come over here. Okay. This is an AliExpress die. It's that big memory book that you make. I never used it, so I'm giving it away. This one here, artsy. And this one here, this one is 25 pieces, this one is a 20 piece. I have AliExpress dies here. More AliExpress dies here. And this one. And this one. It makes a little envelope with a heart in it. And this is from KS Craft. It's one die. This one is from AliExpress. This one is from AliExpress. It cuts out that shadow. This one is from AliExpress. It cuts out hearts around. This is a little box. And these are bows, which I don't use. This one is AliExpress also, and it makes a pop-out card. This makes to hold a card. This is a window die. Now these are diamond dies. This one is a nesting tags die set. This one is Gina Marie, and it's a fancy vine frame. This one is a Gina Marie, and it's a falling snow background. And this one is a starry sky background from Gina Marie. This one is Peachy Cheap, and it's the tags. This one is Peachy Cheap, and it's flowers. This one is Umbrella Crafts, and it's a decorative feathers. Okay, now for Simon Says stamp is this stamp here. And this one is called Love This. I never used it. So that's Simon Says. This one is August of 2016. This one is the Spellbinders Maker's Mart. And I put the card inside of it. This one is Spellbinders also. And I have the May card with the dies from Spellbinders. This one is also from Spellbinders. It's the Kit Maker's Mart, and it has flowers. This one is Spellbinders, and this is the Gold Labels 34, 7 dies. Now the Stamps of Life. This one is the Blessings for Kit Club, and I have the card with it, and the dies, and the stamp. This one is the Stamps of Life, PB&J to Enjoy. It has the stamp and the dies to cut out the jars. This one is the Ladybug, and it is the dies there and the stamp. This one has this one, I forgot the name of this one, but it's candles, and it's Happy Birthday, and the dies are in the back to cut out the candles. This one is the Stamp of Life, and this one is called, let me see right there if it'll focus, Stamps, right there, it's covered. This one does borders, I think. It says it right there. Ornate label dies. This one is Congratulations Awards to Stamp. This one is a strawberry one. Strawberries to Stamp. And it has the dies. This one is the Tic-Tac-Toe. Stamp and die. This one is Butterflies. This one is Crazy for Daisies. It has the stamp to cut it out and the dies. And this one is just a stamp. I use that one a little bit. And this one is Clouds with the cloud dies. This one is the Kite with the stamps. They turn yellow because they were in the sunlight. I never use them. This one is Leaves with the stamp and the dies. And they're all Stamp of Life. And this one is Cupcakes. And it has the dies. So if you live near me, either in Midtown Manhattan or in New Jersey, in Union County, let me know so that you can pick this up. I'm gonna leave this until the end of the month, and if nobody claims it, I'm gonna have to donate it somewhere else or throw it in the garbage, one or the other. So if you are in Midtown Manhattan, I could bring this to my job, or if you're in New Jersey, you can pick it up in my house. So either or. I'm gonna have my email, so the first one to, I guess, whoever comes to pick it up first gets it. So if you're interested, please let me know by email, and thank you, so that I don't have to throw this away. I don't want to throw it away because money was involved here, and if somebody else could use it, I'll be happy if somebody else could use it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll leave my email down below, and take care and talk to you soon. Bye bye.